Oh, fish on. A bit of a run. What have we got? Oh, I think it's a flatty. Yeah, it is a flatty. We got a flatty. Beautiful flatty. Nice little flatty. Awesome. What have we got this time? Feels like another flatty. I'm just taking it slow, it's coming straight up. It is, it's another flatty. It's another flatty. I seriously think it's the same size as last time. So, oh, he's off the hook. Right, fish on. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a net one. Well, it's coming in pretty easy now. Let's have a look. Coming in pretty easy. What have we got? Oh, okay, it doesn't want to come in. Some head shakes. Yeah, she doesn't want to come in just yet. Oh, another monster bream. Another monster bream. Another one. One, probably a baby bream. Yep, baby bream. On. What have we got? It's a bream, I think. He's still a bit feisty. I don't know how big he is right now. He's still a bit feisty. We should be able to get him in the kite without a net. Yep, we got him. Well, I knew there was going to be a fish on sooner or later. I could feel it. Nice little bream. Nothing spectacular, but a nice little bream. See you, bud. Bream on. And it's a baby. It's a baby bream. Been chasing for a little bit. Haven't been a while since I caught a fish. So catching another one gives me hope that I can catch something bigger. The bream of the day. Fish of the day. Just going to try and revive him a little bit. Go, buddy, go! There you go. Winner, winner. Bream dinner. Bye. Fish on. All of a sudden it's got its swim. A lot of head shakes. And it's another flatty. Oh. Another flathead. Thank you very much for coming. Fish on. That's a flathead. Definitely not my PB. And oh, alright, fish on. Hey. Another fish. Ah, little brim this time. Little brim. It's got to be a net job. It's definitely a net job. What is this? I've got a funny feeling this is another flatty. Oh crap. Get out from under there. There goes my watch. Come on. What is that? I can't even tell what it is right now. I think it's a brim. It is, it's a big brim. A definite big boy. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is big. Don't know size, but Jesus Christ, that's big. Got a funny feeling he's gonna spike me. I'm not gonna play around with this guy. I thought I was onto a big flatty, but no, it wasn't. It was a big brim. Alright, okay, so I think that is me done. I think I can end my day on probably what is a PB brim. Hooked up, and another little whiting. On, what do we got? Jeremy just got a tailor. No! A teenage brim. Nah, little brim. Nah, flatty. Flatty. I don't know. What's legal? Legal? What is legal? 30-ish. Monster brim. Actually, it's a squire. I love catching monster squire. Oh, got waves in front of me. Wait. Just got to do that. Get past those waves. It's a monster. Oh, I found the honey hole. Oh, it's a squire, this one. This one's a nice squire. What have we got? Ah, another squire. Squire. A little squire. We got a fish on. Pretty sure we got a fish on. Yep. Nice little tailor. And again, same school of tailor. I'm just fucking hammering these tailor this morning. Hammering them. There's another one. Jesus Christ, boys. Hammering the tailor. Thank you very much for coming. GoPro on, another tailor. I'm going to start just collecting these. And I'm going to put them away for bait. Alright, thank you very much for coming, Mr. Taylor. And again, and again. It's a Taylor Fiesta out here. That is my fourth Taylor. I forgot to turn my GoPro on. Come on, settle down, buddy, settle down. So I forgot to turn my GoPro on, and getting smacked with these Taylor. So that's my third. I got one out as a livey. I caught one and then just caught another one. I'm getting it on trolling prawns. So who said trolling prawns don't work? Oh, I'm going to put you back and have a good day. And it's... Oh! Nope! I was on something small. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh no. Is that a Taylor? Oh. I've only just hooked it too. No. No. Definitely not a Taylor, looks like it. I'm thinking it's a yakka. Fish of the day. And I'm assuming it's going to be a little brim. Yep, and it is a little brim. Alright. So, fish on, finally. And little brim. Don't swallow, buddy. There you go. And fish released. Finally, a fish. 3 hours. Oh no. Fish on. It's a little Taylor. Alright. Live bait that sucker. Been waiting all day for one of them. Finally get one. Oh, it's a live baity. Perfect Taylor size for a live bait. Thank you very much for coming. Fish on, and it's a big boy. Oh, fish on, let's come towards me. What have we got? Fish on, it's a big fish. Oh. Oh. All right, fish on. Oh, yeah. I've been waiting for this. What have we got? What have we got? This is the biggest fish I've ever caught, I think. What? Wowzers. I think this is a kingfish. I think. He's not ready yet. What is it? It looks like a massive tailor, but that can't, surely that can't be a tailor. That is a tailor. I'm pretty sure that's a tailor. Oh. I can actually see this is the biggest. I think this is a tailor. I think it's just, that's just a tailor catching another tailor. Oh, nope, not ready yet. Gotta keep the pressure on. Oh! Oh! Woo! Look at that! Fuck yeah! Oh! Oh! Fuck! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Morissette bait and tackle! We have fucking drilled that! Oh my god! Just checking this tailor out. I think he's going to go about 1.2 kilos. 1.1. If it stops ever moving, yeah. 1.2 kilos.